Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the JOLIE Muse White Planter with stand. A stunning piece that combines mid-century modern design with practical functionality for your indoor plants. This 8-inch ceramic planter features a unique daisy pattern, imitating blooming daisies with a retro floral motif that conveys innocence and purity, making it a perfect gift for your loved ones. Crafted from premium ceramic with a fine embossing technique, this fully glazed planter boasts a beautiful shine in a concave well-shaped surface, ensuring both quality and elegance. The sturdy wood stand, featuring an interlocking dowel construction, requires no assembly and provides enhanced protection, allowing you to place it anywhere in your space with confidence. With a drainage hole at the bottom, this pragmatic planter ensures your plants can breathe and thrive, while its spacious pot space accommodates a variety of greenery. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, from scorching sun to freezing temperatures, this high-fired ceramic planter maintains its elegance year-round. Elevate your home decor and showcase your favorite plants with this exquisite JOLIE Muse Planter, a true blend of art and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.